convolutional neural networks or CNN. These filters also generate revenue from brands that sponsor them based on users' locations. According to Ganesh Padmanabhan from Cognitive Scale, AI intelligence is the biggest opportunity of our lifetime to extend and expand human creativity and ingenuity. The two main concerns that fearmongers raise are around AI leading to job losses in society and AI going rogue and take control of the human race. I believe that both of these concerns raised by critics are moot or solvable. This can be easily proven wrong, but how AI is being leveraged in various verticals such as human resources and recruitment. Take a look at the diagram given here to understand the various areas that where AI is making huge contributions. Let's conclude this lesson with this chart that discusses the impact of AI in various cases types and in various industries. You have now reached the end of lesson 1. Let's summarize the key takeaway points from this lesson. Artificial intelligence is the intelligence exhibited by machines and is the capability of a machine to imitate human behavior. The two subsets of artificial intelligence are machine learning and deep learning. The 3 stages of AI include artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial superintelligence. Various applications of AI include image recognition, speech recognition, natural language processing, translation, product analytics, A/B testing, and sentiment analysis. And finally, AI contributes to society by enhancing throughput and efficiency, adding jobs, strengthening the economy, increasing human efficiency, enhancing the lifestyle, solving complex social problems, and benefiting multiple industries.